Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today's video is all about an integrated front parking camera on this Ford Mustang, and what an incredible spec. We've done something really special for this client. So this client is having a load of work done. We've done loads of other bits and pieces, and what we've actually done for him is integrated a front camera. However, this is a really cool thing that we've done. Okay, so on the front end of this vehicle, you'll find the front camera now mounted just here. What we've actually done is printed, and this is completely custom built. And bear in mind, guys, this is not something, I'm sure we're going to get comments or emails about this, but this is not something we are selling as off-the-shelf item. This is something custom built. If you're having an install done by us, we will then can make this for you as an option. Okay, so I had a Mustang myself many years ago. I had the front camera integrated into the grille there. It looked really smart. However, we've upped our game since then, and every install we do, we try and up our game every single time. So what we've done is built this housing for that camera. It looks absolutely incredible, and you wouldn't think that. Literally looks so factory, which I'm over the moon with. I'm a big fan of like an OEM or an OEM plus design. What we've done here is integrate that front camera. We've actually manufactured the housing for it, but we've mimicked the actual shape that we've got here into the design, giving it a really cool effect. So that is all you see on the front of the vehicle. Physical cable run goes into an integration module that integrates into the Ford Sync system on the inside of the vehicle. This vehicle, and very commonly, they have a rear camera but no front camera. We also do an option of parking sensors as well, which can be fully color coded, or you can do the camera option, or you can do both, whichever you please. But really simple and easy to use. On this particular install, we've gone for a separate button that has to be mounted into the vehicle, and we can choose location of that with you. But you press and hold that button, it activates the front camera onto the screen whenever you want it. It's very discreet, but the big thing is cosmetically on the outside of the car, how incredible that looks at the front end of the car. But it adds just the added functionality, but we also do other solutions like the front parking sensors that can also be added on to vehicles like this to help protect and help you park the vehicle, because they are quite complicated to park, especially with the long nose that you've got, and it's hard to see where it is, and you don't want to be causing damage to the vehicle. So it's well worth the investment to protect the vehicle. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you're interested in this, but also we have loads of other bits and pieces for the Ford Mustang, head over to our website, go check out some of the other services that we offer, and I'll see you on the next video.